Hey there, Algebra 1. Catlin here with your help for your cooldown on lesson 21. We're starting to graph these linear equalities that have two variables. And I'm giving you an inequality that says 2x is greater than y. And your job is to select the graph that represents that. Now, y equals 2x, if I replace that greater than with an equal, is the line that you see for all of the lines. But you got to pick the right graph that represents greater than y. 2x is greater than y. So the first thing that I notice, and then we also have to explain why we chose that. So I'm going to start off with um, why I'm choosing a dotted line here. Okay. So I'm going to write down um, I chose dotted line because it's not or equal to. And I'll put that in parentheses there because if you look back at this, you'll notice that it's a greater than and not a greater than or equal to. If it was a greater than or equal to, it could possibly be the filled in line. So that's the reason why I'm only going to focus on either A or C here. It's either going to be this one or it's going to be that one. Okay. So I chose the dotted line because it's not or equal to. All right, now let's talk about which side of that we're going to choose. We need 2 multiplied by something, x, that is bigger than what? Okay, so we have 2 question marks here, 2 unknowns. The first unknown is an x, and the second unknown is a y, right? And those are ordered pairs that can be plotted on this. We want one that works, so let's look at A and let's pick a dot that is in the shaded region. They're saying, hey, these dots work. Okay, so let's pick one over here that works. I'm gonna pick 0, 2. Okay, so let me get a different color there so it shows up better. I'm gonna pick, this is the ordered pair 0, comma 2. They're saying that it is a solution to this inequality. So I should be able to put 0 in x's place, and I should be able to put 2 in y's place, and this should be true. Well, I put it in there. 0 times 2 is 0. It is not bigger than 2. This is false. So that means that that ordered pair should not be shaded. It should be in the section that's not shaded. So if I even use the same ordered pair here, that means that this graph is the one that I want, because whenever I put 0, 2 on there, it should be false. It should not be a solution. It should not be shaded like C has it. A shaded the wrong side of the dotted line, whereas C shaded the correct side of it. So I'm going to select C. All right. I chose the dotted line because it's not or equal to. I chose C because 0, 2 is not a solution. And that is enough reasoning for me to back up the choice that I made for C. Got to be a dotted line because of the or equal to, and it's got to be C, not A, because this point doesn't work, and so it shouldn't be shaded. And that's all I got for you today. See you guys.